Hey there, are you having some minor or major issues with your Google Pixelbuds A series? Or are you planning to sell your Google Pixelbuds? If any of those matters to you, then you need to reset your Google Pixelbuds. Before you go ahead and reset your Google Pixelbuds, there are two things that you need to be careful with. First, please try to have a full charge on your Google Pixelbuds. At the same time, make sure to open the case. Once you've done these two processes, the next things you have to do, just go ahead and grab your Google Pixel Buds and turn it around. In the back here, then you'll be able to see a little button. Now, all you gotta do is just go ahead and press and hold this button for about 30 seconds unless you see that orange color start blinking on your Google Pixel device. Once you've seen the orange colors appearing, let go of the button and your device will be resetted. Well, this is pretty quick and easy video to make. Hope you find this video useful. If it's so, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching guys, and hopefully we will talk to you later.